and welcome. You're watching NewsX and I'm Megha Sharma. There is a deadly accident involving a BMW that was reported from Delhi's Ring Road yesterday. A blue BMW driven by Gaganpreet Makkad rammed into a motorcycle which was being driven by a finance ministry official by the name of Navjot Singh. What happened right after the incident has raised many questions. The couple who was inside the BMW took Navjot Singh to a hospital that was 19 kilometers away from the accident site because, as per police sources, it is being said that the hospital at GTB Nagar was owned by the woman's father, the woman who rammed into the motorcycle that led to the death of Navjot. Navjot was denied immediate treatment and he was brought dead to the hospital. The woman driver has now been arrested by the Delhi police. I have with me Navjot Singh, who is the son of the victim in the BMW crash, and let's hear from him on what is it that he has to say. Thank you very much for joining me. I'm so sorry for your loss, and I condone the family members, the woman and her husband that were involved in this brutal accident that led to your father's death and putting your mother's life in jeopardy. Now, you mentioned that your parents were taken 19 kilometers away from the accident site. This hospital by the name of New Life is where your father and your mother were admitted instead of taking them to the nearby facility after the accident. What was the explanation that was given to you by the authorities or the hospital staff for taking this decision?
Police and authorities are themselves confused as to why my mom and dad were taken 20 kilometers from the accident site, and the hospital staff had again no explanation. I haven't talked to the lady who was driving. So yeah, I don't really have an explanation right now.
Do you believe that this delay in taking your mother and father to the hospital nearby could have may have majorly impacted on your father's demise? Had he been taken to a nearby hospital, maybe there may have been chances that he survived.
Definitely, my father was brought dead to the hospital.
You've also alleged that the woman who was driving the BMW was injured and she was admitted to the hospital. What makes you believe her presence was being concealed? And have you seen any direct evidence of this?
When I reached the hospital, I got to know about the lady who was driving. Her husband and her father-in-law were also there. So I asked them, I asked the hospital authorities, I asked the police, who in turn asked the hospital authorities that where is the lady who was driving. But her husband and her father-in-law said that they don't know, and this went on for about 4 to 5 hours. And then after that I spotted the doctor creating a MLC for a patient named Gaganpreet Kaur. So that was the lady who was driving. So I confronted him, and then an argument ensued, the one in the video. And then finally, after 10 to 15 minutes, the doctor gave in and he took us to another floor where she was in a room.
You've also spoken of attempts to prepare a fake medical legal certificate for the accused. Who do you think is behind this? Why do you feel that the hospital is being evasive?
I believe there was a reason as to why my parents were taken 20 kilometers to a really bad hospital. They didn't have basic facilities, and it was more like a nursing home. It was not even a hospital. So I believe the accused, the lady who was driving, might have some connections, or someone told me that she probably owns the hospital. So yeah, definitely they were trying to bury some evidence. Or
What do you expect from the police investigation and the authorities at this stage? And what justice for your father and your mother mean to you?
So personally, whatever happens to the accused, it is not going to bring my father back. But I think that people like her should not roam free in the society. They should not be allowed to roam free in the society after doing something like that.